Hi everyone, it's Hey John here today. It's March 13th, 2021 here. I cover cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, the news, and I cover the Dogecoin technical analysis, aka the sticks here. All right, and this video here, I'm gonna cover the sticks. And also, please do me a huge favor, guys and gals. Please hit that subscribe button and please hit the like button and leave me a comment below of how you feel about Dogecoin going to the moon today, based with the help and support of our boy Elon Musk here. Okay, we all love Elon Musk. He's our Dogecoin CEO, and he's taking us to unrivaled heights today. Okay, we're seeing like 14% gains today, and I'm gonna hit the sticks now because that's what you clicked this video for, and that's what I'm gonna give you. Okay, so we're starting on a daily chart here, as always. And as you can see that I mentioned to you for a few days already. If you've been watching my videos, and if you haven't watched my videos, you should hit the subscribe button right now and hit the notification so you can be apprised of the next formation happening, so you will not get left in the dust here. Okay, because if you've been watching me for the past few weeks, you're gonna know that my calls are usually pretty right on, and you're seeing proof of it right now as it's happening as I'm recording this video today. Okay, so I mentioned a few days ago we're doing a cup and handle formation, something like this. We're going to park like this and go back up like that. So, and this is what you call a typical cup and handle formation here. So today, when the last part of the cup is forming up today, it was supported by Elon Musk and throwing out a flurry of tweets to further support the technical analysis here, right? Him throwing out that kind of news and telling Coinbase, hey, take Dogecoin, right? It's literally taking us to new heights today, okay? And it's a weekend too, so I said something on Monday. We're gonna see even higher gains, right? I mean, obviously things can change from now until Monday, but given the fact that the news is happening and the stimulus is coming out and it's already being sent out to people already, starting this weekend already. So some folks have actually already received their $1,400 stimulus checks here, and what are they doing? They are investing in Dogecoin here. They're gonna make money leaps and bounds. I hope you guys are on a boat with us Dogecoin enthusiasts, and I hope we go to the moon together. So let me get further into the sticks now, okay? So again, cup and handle formation here. I called it a few days ago, and we're seeing it happen right now. So basically, we're testing 6.3 again because that's our current resistance here, right? So we hit it several times where, bang, come down, bang, come down, bang, come down, right? And the handle formation is going to be something like this. We may see like 5.5 again or even 5.6, and from there, we're going to rock it back up, okay? Based on all the news happening out, coming out currently, I don't see any news that is necessarily bearish in the sense where it's going to push Dogecoin down. So that being said, I only see clear skies ahead, and it doesn't matter how high and how fast we go. Okay, I've been telling everyone to practice patience for the past few days or for the past few weeks. So you buy the dips, and now you are being rewarded right now. That's the only way I could think of. You're literally being rewarded right now. If you've been buying dips, as I've been calling it for the past few weeks already, you are doing tremendously well today. Okay, this is literally the fruits of your labor of being patient. Okay, I keep on emphasizing that. All right. So again, you can see on a daily chart here, the 50 MA is still above the 200 MA, which means we're doing a golden cross here. And you can see the 50 MA was at 493 yesterday, and today it's 503. So you can still see increasing by about 0.001 per day here. And I mentioned that when the 50 MA hits around 5.2 or 5.3, we'll probably use that as support and bounce off that, okay? And what we're seeing here, if we're seeing a cup right now forming at the top of 6.3, and when the handle forms and hits a 50 MA in a few days, I suspect we're going to bounce off there and go even higher. And hopefully by then, our boy Elon Musk, our Dogecoin CEO, will throw out some more tweets here and rocket us higher, okay? Of course, and also in the days to come, we're gonna see even more stimulus checks get printed out and sent out to individuals, right? And some of those individuals are already buying Dogecoin. So, with that being said, the news is very important because the news will justify the move sometimes, right? And it's almost like it's almost like clockwork. Sometimes the news comes out when the technicals call for it, and you literally see the move almost happen like literally like art. It's like this, a perfect symphony. It's like unbelievable. So on a weekend, on March 12th here, we're seeing 191 million volume over here, right? That's a lot, right? And then you see and you see it on MACD now here. I've been mentioning to you guys that we are resetting in the bullish quadrant. So what that means is that we are most likely going to see a higher high, because when you reset in a bullish quadrant on these kind of technicals here, you're gonna see higher movements. Okay, all right. So that being said, here we can see the velocity increase, right? For the past few days, we've been seeing the MACD kind of do this, right? And I said, okay, guys, when it's doing this, then we're kind of flatlined. We're kind of in indecision mode here. But I did mention for the past few videos already that given all the news and catalysts here, it's only a matter of when we're gonna fly up, and we're seeing it happen today. Okay, because with all the news happening here, right? We're seeing all these people sell. They're selling, right? People keep on selling, but the news is pushing. It's keeping Dogecoin up there because people are still buying it based on the news that they're receiving, right? So it could be some of my videos they're watching. It could be some other YouTube videos, And when people see that news, oh, they think it's bullish, so they buy. And we're seeing that happen now. And now you're seeing the MACD start increasing now, the velocity of the trajectory. You can see the past few days, it's at 0.01 here, right? Now it's at 0.04, 0.05, and we're seeing it increase 3 or 4 fold, right? 3 or 4 points here, from 0.01 to 4 to 0.01 to 5. That's like what, 3 or 4 points here. That's quite a bit for the MACD, okay? And now you're seeing the MACD start pointing up to the you're seeing it point to the upwards trajectory now. No longer is it flat; it's pointing up now. So that being said, we are literally going to start a new bullish cycle here. So I suspect in the days to come, or even weeks, we're going to see higher highs. We're going to test those 866. We're going to test 7.9 again. I suspect 7.9, I believe, will be our next hard resistance. Once we break that, it may not happen right away. It may take some time. But the thing is that if we bounce around 7.9 and we hang around there, right, that means that's our new higher low, right? A few weeks back, it was around 3.5 cents. A few weeks recently, it's like, 4.47, 4.5, and then 5. And now we're seeing it hit 6 cents now, okay, people? I literally believe that in the coming days and weeks, we're going to hit 7.9. We're going to test the heck out of it. And eventually, we're going to break out of it. And we're going to make new highs, just like Bitcoin is today, making all-time new highs, and we're gonna go to the moon together, and before you know it, we're gonna see 9 cents and 10 cents. Okay, it's gonna be epic. I hope you're gonna ride for this. I'm not much of a hype man, but today I'm seeing this kind of news finally come to fruition here, and you know what? I am pumped, and I hope you are too. Okay, let's check out the 4-hour chart and let's see what it's looking like. All right. Okay, so you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, it looks more like a cup now, like for sure, right? You see the cup, and I mentioned to everyone that 662 or 63 is going to be our current resistance here, and we're tapping it again, right? And now we're kind of bouncing down off it, which is fine, because when you hit a resistance that has been there for a long time, think of it as like muscle memory, right? You're gonna keep on hitting it until you're gonna hit it, and people are gonna sell because they're used to it, right? But eventually, that resistance is going to become support, because you can have a surge of buyers, a new buyers, right? Every day that passes by, Dogecoin is getting more exposure, it's getting more rate adoption. So eventually, these resistance, based on the new buyers coming in, are going to push it up higher, people. And as always, I say, if you're watching my videos here, you're getting insider news. You're seeing it, how it's going to play out, and you're basically going to get in before the crowds get in, right? And right now, what we're seeing here is, honestly, it is just the beginning, in my humble opinion, okay? I suspect sometime this year, we will see even more higher highs, all-time highs this year. It's only a matter of when, in my opinion, okay? So anyway, so basically, this is what we're going to see here. So we're going to see this for the most part. We're going to see the cup, the handle, and a bounce back up, all right? That's going to be the play. So we still have, so we're still going to need to practice some patience here. And you can see that based on the volume here, right? You're seeing these huge volume spikes based on my mouse cursor here. You see that? So people are actually buying the higher highs here. Of course, you're seeing people sell too, but you're seeing, again, it's getting pushed up over the weekend. Insanity. Getting pushed up on most important, volume, money, okay? Not because I'm talking about it, not because other people are talking about it. There's people actually buying it, all right? And when you put your money to buy this stuff, you're voting. You're saying, hey, you know what? Dogecoin, please go higher. And that is exactly what is happening, okay? If you're waiting for dips, I suggest you buy some. Okay, I'm not trying to create panic or anything, but eventually the fives are gonna be gone already. I mean, my 5-5 buys, they're already in the plus already. My 4-7 buys already in the positive already. My 3-5 to 3-6 buys already in the positive already. I always give you guys my strategy. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. It's very pragmatic. You buy red, you sell green. What that means is you buy dips and you sell pops. That's all you do. And if you do that, you make lots of money. But of course, I'm investing here, so I'm just buying dips. So when I bought a 3-3, I bought a 4-5. Now I bought a 5-5. Yeah, I'm averaging up, but I'm okay with that though because I'm supporting the new higher lows. Okay, and as we move up, I'll buy more. I'm okay with that, because I always say to you guys, never go full hand because you never know where this is going, right? You can lose 50% tomorrow. Who knows, right? I mean, these things happen. So as long as I do this, step by step here, I feel very comfortable with it. So even if it goes down, I'm okay with that. So we're seeing upside here. You see the 4 MACD here. You're seeing kind of again reset, okay, in the bullish territory here, and you're seeing a reset with lower velocity, but yet we are already testing the previous highs of 6-3 already. Okay, so by the time the cycle ends, I suspect we're gonna be maybe a 6-5 or something. Okay, but of course I'm not a fortune teller here. I'm going off of likelihood. As I always say with technical analysis, it's more art than science here, and it takes some intuition and experience. So I suspect that that's probably what would happen. Okay, we're seeing a pullback now because again, as I mentioned, when you hit 6-3, you're gonna see a pullback. You're gonna see a bunch of people sell, but eventually, when these people sell, right, there's a flurry of buyers, and you see the flurry of buyers. They buy when people sell right away, and they're keeping the price up. So eventually, the prices are gonna go make new higher lows, and we're already seeing that, and that's amazing. Okay, let's check the 15-minute chart here today. All right, you can see that we're literally just going up like this. I mean, you don't even need to you don't even need to know technicals. You see this, you already know. Okay, we're definitely in an upward trend here. We may test the support of like 5-8 or something, or even 5-9. In a 15-minute chart here, and from there it probably bounce back up, again, and go higher again, right? Soon we're gonna see Europeans gonna play the weekend, and we're gonna see how they play with how they're gonna play with us. You know what I mean? So hopefully when the Europeans come on, or and then the Asians kind of come on, we'll see how they feel about Dogecoin and see if they buy, right? So obviously, for us, it's kind of getting later in the day here today. So people may start buying, and you're seeing the people kind of sell right now. So it's a pretty exciting weekend actually. Usually weekends I say are pretty good buy opportunities, but as always with cryptocurrency, it's 24/7, so you never know. Usually weekends are lower volume days, but as you can see today, it's a high volume day. So, with the news coming out and all the stimulus money coming out, I mean, hate to say it, people, it was like the writing was on the wall. I've been calling it. I just hope you guys are on a boat with me here, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos here. And as always, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave a comment below of how you feel about us going to the moon with Elon Musk, our boy, and our CEO. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Oh, by gals too, by the way.